The e-bike revolution has been transforming the cycling landscape, offering riders an eco-friendly and efficient way to commute and explore. LIVALL, a company known for its innovative cycling products, has been at the forefront of this change with its PikaBoost e-bike conversion kit. Now, they've upped the ante with the introduction of the PikaBoost 2, promising even more features and improvements. Let's dive into a comparison of these two game-changing products to see if the upgrade is truly worth every penny. The most striking similarity between the two models is their sleek, all-in-one design. Both units can be installed between the seat post and the rear wheel, allowing for a clean look that doesn't compromise the bike's original aesthetics. However, the PikaBoost 2 takes this a step further with its improved shock-absorbing spring design, ensuring a more secure fit even on rough terrain. The PikaBoost 2 also introduces an anti-theft feature in its physical design. It uses a proprietary tool for installation and removal, making it more secure against potential theft. This is a significant upgrade from the original model, which, while easy to install and remove, didn't have specific anti-theft measures built into its design. Both models boast impressive compatibility, fitting wheel sizes from 14 to 29 inches and accommodating various bike types including mountain bikes, road bikes, and hybrids. The PikaBoost 2, however, introduces a V-shaped tire design with specialized tread patterns and drainage grooves, enhancing traction and reducing the risk of slipping in wet conditions. Both models shine when it comes to performance, but the PikaBoost 2 takes things to the next level. The original PikaBoost utilized state-of-the-art automatic adaptive rate (AR) technology to detect terrain changes and bicycle speed in real time, adjusting motor power accordingly. The PikaBoost 2 improves on this with its patented AR 2.0 technology, offering even more precise power assistance. We see one of the biggest upgrades in the motor. While the original PikaBoost was no slouch, the PikaBoost 2 boasts a cutting-edge LIVALL 500 series motor. This powerhouse achieves 88% conversion efficiency and delivers a peak power of 500 W, allowing riders to tackle steep hills with ease and reach speeds of up to 32 km/h. Battery life has also seen an improvement. The original PikaBoost used a 199.8 Wh battery, offering a range of up to 30 km under full electric assistance. The PikaBoost 2 comes standard with a 158 Wh battery, providing a range of up to 70 km. For those needing even more range, there's an optional 220 Wh battery that can extend the range to an impressive 96 km. Both models offer multiple riding modes to cater to different needs and preferences. The PikaBoost 2, however, refines these modes further. It offers 4 versatile options: workout mode for added resistance, eco mode for maximizing range, power assist mode for smart, balanced support, and cruise mode for hands-free riding. Safety features have been enhanced in the PikaBoost 2. While both models include fall detection and e-braking systems, the PikaBoost 2 adds slip detection, which automatically cuts motor power when tires lose traction. It also includes an LED rear light that signals braking and turning, further enhancing rider safety. The PikaBoost 2 introduces a regenerative braking system, a feature not present in the original model. This system captures kinetic energy during coasting or braking, converting it into electricity to extend the battery's range. Another significant upgrade is the PikaBoost 2's fast charging capability. Using PD 3.1 and QC 3.0 technology, it can be fully charged in just 3 hours. Additionally, the battery doubles as a portable power station, capable of charging other devices, a feature not available in the original model. The PikaBoost 2 also comes with a dedicated LIVALL app, allowing for easy device tracking and control. This adds a layer of convenience and customization not present in the original model. The PikaBoost 2, the latest release from LIVALL, builds upon the success of its predecessor. With a more powerful motor, longer battery life, and enhanced safety features, it substantially improves over the original e-bike conversion kit. Key upgrades include regenerative braking, fast charging, and a user-friendly mobile app. These features address common limitations of the original model, providing a smoother and more efficient riding experience. While the original PikaBoost remains a viable option for those on a budget or with less demanding needs, the PikaBoost 2 is a compelling choice for anyone seeking the ultimate e-bike conversion. Its improved performance, safety features, and overall user experience make it a worthwhile investment for commuters, weekend warriors, and everyone in between. That was all about the LIVALL PikaBoost 2 versus PikaBoost. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comment which one you think is a better option for you.